smart.
Oh. Yeah, just like when we used to go ice fishing.
That's what you always said.
Apparently you listened.
Always tell Mom that I love her every day.
I promise, Princess.
Well, then you should go then before Scott figures it out.